Hey guys, just want to show my trades for today. I actually traded yesterday as well, but I did not make a video. I think I got like 6 or 7 points yesterday, and this trade I got 10 points, but I lost 2 points, and I'll show you where here in a minute. Stupid cord. So I want to just give context because I normally don't trade on days that I have other things going on, just because I feel super distracted. I did trade today. I was supposed to go do some windows, and then I had car trouble that I had to fix this afternoon. And so while I was eating lunch, I thought, well, I'll take a look and see if I can get a trade. So I get in this trade. So real quick on context, bulls have been, it's been crazy the last few days, honestly. The reversals on the daily are pretty insane. The bars are big. So here we go. We got kind of a lot of sideways. We got big down, big up, 2 legs down, big up, and then here we go. So we have 3 pushes. 1, pull back, 2, pull back, 3. This would have been a good buy right here on this bar, right above this bar, because you also have a micro double bottom and a double bottom right here. And so basically, when you're looking for a reversal, one thing that I'm telling myself is just wait for another bar. So you want like 2 solid signs that, you know, there's a potential that it could be reversing. Okay, you need proof that the train is stopping and going the other direction. So how do I get that proof? Well, you tell yourself, okay, the train's going forward right now. When it stops and reverses, when it gets to 10 miles per hour, now I know we're probably going to go the other direction, at least for a little while, because the train can't just stop and go the other way. It has to stop, or slow down, stop, then go the other direction. So we need proof that momentum is changing. So on reversals, so we have a wedge here, and a pretty good bull bar. Now you have another bear bar. Now look, you have another bull bar closing on its high. That's a reasonable buy right there as well. But you almost would have got stopped out, so that would have pissed me off if I would have bought that, got stopped out in this bar. But you could wait for a combination of a wedge, 2 good bull bars, and a micro double bottom. You bet the farm on a trade like this. So I shouldn't say bet. It's a higher probability trade. That's the right way to say it. So I did take a loss today because I was eating and getting ready to go to the gym. So my idea was 2 legs up for the bulls to the top of this trading range, because today is obviously not a trend day, it's a trading range day, as 80% of the days are. And we had this push up, break out of this range. Now we have rejection at the EMA and a strong bull bar. So I bought above that bar, but then I saw this bear close and kind of started playing my mind, because I saw this double top here. So we have a double top here and here. And now we have, this is actually an L2, because here's your L1, pullback L2. So I didn't really like that. So I got out below that bar, then this bar came. So now we have another bar, bull bar, closing on its high. So I went in right here. And typically on a trade like this, I would go for 2 to 1, especially on a trade like down here. 2 to 1, reward to risk. But as you can see down here, we're getting close to the end of the day. So this was about 1:30 when I entered the trade, and there's just a lot of sideways action. So the full measure move would have got me up here, which I think it did end up hitting. I haven't checked the chart, but I'm pretty sure it did. So I just went for a smooth 10 points. It's just reasonable. It would have got us out up here somewhere. Yeah. So on this bull bar right here on the open, see how it spiked above it? People bought above that bar. So there's a good chance that there's people still, or there could be people holding on right here. So aggressive bulls will buy right here, and then when it gets down here on a wedge, they'll buy again. So they make money on the second trade, get out break even on this trade. I'm not good enough to do that. I'm still a noob, so Al Brooks talks about that a lot. It's called scaling in. If I did it, I would just be adding to a losing trade. It wouldn't work out. So anyway, we have this going on. Kind of started peeing my pants a little bit, but as you can see, every time it touched this EMA, it gets rejection. Now we have another bull bar closing on its high, near its high. Then it gets stopped again. So this is like a major, resistance area. Now we have a breakout. So I wasn't even at the computer at this point. I just set it at 10 points and left. I was watching it at the gym, and I got a little nervous because these tails up here, I did not like that. But that means there's also potentially could be pressure. So now we have another pretty good bear bar closing on its low, but this is why you need to wait for a second sell signal, because technically you got a wedge here. 1, pull back 2, pull back 3. You could put a sell below this bar, and that's why it's very beneficial to wait until the bar closes. I know, like, when a bar shoots up, you get all excited, but if your context isn't correct, that thing could just reverse. Like, how many people probably sold when the bar was down here? They're like, oh, it's a double top, now it's coming down here. Sell, well, look, now they're stopped out. So always wait for the bar to close, and then, sell or buy above or below it. So as a new trader, let me add that. As a new trader, you do that. Other people more advanced than myself, they'll buy or sell with limit orders. So now, and also look, it would have kept you out of that trade because it never triggered. So now we have this massive bull bar closing on its high, still not really above this high, but I think we do get a breakout right there. So it's trying to break out. I don't know if technically that's a give up bar, but once again, look at this. Every time it touches the EMA, rejection. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that bull bar after that. Now look at that sucker, rejection. Still a bare body, but that's a pretty good, decent, technically bull bar, because that's rejection at the EMA once again. So now we have 2 bull bars closing on their high. Now we get 3, I believe. Yeah, 3, and then 4, and we get out on that one. So I was at the gym. I was not at this. That's why the video's so stinking long. But hopefully this helps. And, I do have a blog as well if you guys want to check that out. I do write more detailed tips and stuff like that. I haven't this week just because I am trying to get windows and stuff done as well as trades. So I hope this helps you guys. Please like and subscribe. Not because I get money. I don't think I will get money until I had like 1 million followers or subscribers. But it lets me know that people are actually enjoying the videos, and I'm not going to do them if no one's going to watch them. So anyway, I really hope this helps. Thank you for watching.